Everybody, welcome back to my channel Saurabh's Blissful Vibes. So in today's video I might not be talking about a trick or a shortcut which may help you to learn English speaking or which may help you to develop your muscles, but for sure this is one of the most important videos of my channel because everybody goes through this, but what I am going to talk about in this particular video. See, you must have seen those videos where they claim about making help you learn English speaking overnight or in a certain period, maybe 15 days or 20 days, ऐसे या एक महीना. ऐसे चैनल्स आपने देखे होंगे जो ये दावा करते हैं कि वो एक महीने में सिखा देंगे या 30 दिन में सिखा देंगे या 15 दिन में. आई डोंट अग्री विद दिस. इसका कोई टाइम पीरियड नहीं होता है. It all depends upon your efforts. If somebody is claiming he'll make you learn English speaking in 15 days or in a month, I've seen those hoardings, I've seen those channels. He's faking you out. It's absolutely rubbish. But yes, if you give your best efforts, you can learn it fast. That is a possibility. So what I am trying to talk about in today's video is it happens especially with people who just start learning English speaking. It happened with me as well. So once you start learning English speaking, initially वो जोश होता है, वो होता है कि मैं फाड़ दूंगा, मुझे बस सीखना है, मुझे इसको सीखना है कैसे भी. So what happened with me actually is I was just trying. From my side, I was even trying to talk to my friends in English. I was reading books. I was watching movies. I was listening to songs. I was doing every single damn trick which they ask you to do in order to learn English speaking. But what happened is, quite for some time I was not getting results. And quite honestly, if you are doing it बचपन से अगर इसकी प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं तो वो एक बिल्कुल अलग सिनेरियो होता है. वो दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग यू कैन डू. बट ऑब्वियसली it happens initially if you read in Hindi medium, if you come from Hindi medium background and later you want to learn this particular skill. It's not like you cannot learn it. Like you can learn it at any age, any time. So same thing happened with me. I was trying everything, but I was getting frustrated because I was not getting results. And that's the topic of discussion in this particular video. It will happen with every single person who doesn't come from Hindi medium, English medium background especially. And now you're trying to learn this particular skill. You'll get frustrated and you'll get embarrassed. Obviously, you won't see any results. You won't see any improvements. And I thought in same way as well. I was getting frustrated and I was thinking, ये नहीं होगा. And ये उन्हीं के लिए शायद होता है जो इंग्लिश मीडियम बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं या जो बचपन से सीख रहे हैं. ये सब मेरे दिमाग में भी उस समय चल रहा था. But one thing which I did differently was I didn't quit there. I was like, okay ठीक है, मे बी अभी इसके आउटकम नहीं दिख रहे हैं लेकिन लेटर ये शो होना शुरू हो जाएंगे. तो my advice for those who are just trying, who are just starting or who have already started but not seeing any result, and they are getting frustrated and they are thinking that it's not going to help, nothing is going to help, because you read different sort of books, you watch different sort of videos, you try everything, but sometimes you don't see results, and at that particular time you become frustrated and you want to quit. So my suggestion, I have experienced this, don't quit there, keep trying, because what happens sometimes is initially you don't see results, but after some time when you keep practicing, results gonna come out. And this is very important because after giving so much efforts, when you quit, sometimes what happens is you are so close to that thing and you just quit there. So I didn't quit, and my suggestion is, please don't quit, keep trying. Results might come later, results might take some time to come out, but for sure you can learn this at any age, from any background. It doesn't matter much. मैं इसको शेयर करना चाहता था because I had might happen with you, but at that time you do not need to quit. You need to remind yourself that maybe you're not seeing any result right now, maybe you're not seeing any improvement right now, but by keep trying, results for sure gonna come out, and for sure you're gonna learn this particular skill, because this is not a rocket science. Like any other skill, you gonna learn this. Sometimes you learn something very fast, sometimes it takes some time. So please don't get frustrated and just keep trying. That's what I wanted to share, because there was a time when I wanted to quit and I thought it is almost impossible to learn this particular skill, and I just dreamed about speaking in English, but I was not able to. But I didn't quit. So this was a very important suggestion for especially those who are just starting, or may have already started but not seeing any results. And talking about those channels or people who are claiming to make you learn this particular skill in 15 or 20 days, I think it's just clickbait. They are making a fool of you. It's just like they are trying to fake things out. Don't believe such people. But I would suggest just keep trying, try hard, and you can achieve this as fast as you can with your efforts. So that's the only message I wanted to share with this particular video. Thank you so much.